came a little late, but we have to respect her, and she is our assemblywoman. So, Jenifer Rajkumar, John.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We are welcome to Miss our assemblywoman Jenifer. She is coming to join with us today. We say welcome. ਅਸੀਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਡੀਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਿੱਖ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀ ਆ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਲਚਰ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਇਆ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਆਪਰੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ। ਆਈ ਡੋਂਟ ਨੋ ਵਾਈ, ਪਰ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਲਾਮਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਲਚਰ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਣਾਇਆ, ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੈਂਬਲੀ ਦੀ ਸੀਟ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਾ, ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਣ ਆ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਿਓ। ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀਆਂ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Good afternoon, my Sikh brothers and sisters. I am Jenifer Rajkumar, your state assemblywoman. I am a daughter of the Punjab. When my father was growing up on the streets of Amritsar, he never would have dreamed that his daughter would be standing here. He never would have dreamed that his daughter would one day be standing here as the first Punjabi ever elected to a New York State office. Who here wants more Punjabis elected in New York State?
You're the only one.
But do you want more? Do you want more? Do you want to be powerful? Do you want to be powerful in this state? If you want to be powerful, then I need all of you to register to vote in New York City elections, because then we will make the Sikh community the most powerful. Nobody will be able to stop us. When I first got elected, I made Sikh Heritage Month in the state of New York. So now every April, we celebrate Sikh Heritage Month in the state of New York.
Thank you so much for it.
Jenifer, I'm sorry, 1 second. I want to say
and that is just the beginning.
Yeah.
That is just the beginning of what we will do.
I need your help. You have to support our community people.
Whatever
Yes.
President said,
And after- Yes. These are all my friends. These are all my friends, and this is democracy. And you know, my keys to my office are your keys. All of you know that. I'm proud to say I secured the first ever government funding for the Gurdwara. Never before had the Gurdwara gotten a government funding. This is what happens when you elect your own Punjabi daughter to office. So we are in this together, and we're going to become the most powerful. Everybody here, you're my family. Balwinder Singh Bajwa, honored by New York State. I made sure, we made sure he was honored. And all of the incredible leaders here, I am with you every step of the way. Okay, so I'm with you, and I need you to be with me. Okay, because our fates are tied together in this. You want to be powerful, then I will give you a seat at the table of power. I want to say today to everybody,
Sikh community, what do you give to Sikh community? What do you give to Sikh community?
Okay, so
Yes. I have question. What do you give to Sikh community?
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Jenifer, our Sikh community needs a lot more, because you are in Saraika, you have the rights, you can help a lot. Because Sikh society, when the government funds came, and the Sikh society did not get the funds yet after that, so we request you to all the funds that belong to the religion, that belong to our Sikh society, so please must help to get our funds, whatever we supposed to have it. And all the community, really proud. So you did over there the Sikh Heritage Month of the April. So we welcome all the official leaders, but we don't need too many. We just need a quality. Quality is better than quantity. If we have just one leader who can help us, our community, so we don't need so many. So I hope you will help the Sikh all the Sikh community. So they are really proud of you. So they have a hope from you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.